Hello, my name is YASHVITH from first semester CSE branch, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. My product name is Holographic Display and the startup company name is Expert Technology and logo is as shown in this PPT. Feedback collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. They are clear and high resolution display quality, compact and portable design for easy use, and compatibility with multiple devices and software. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing features. They are enhanced display clarity, compact design, multi-device support, and cost-effective model. In the prototype stage, real working model has been manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is as shown is below. As actual working model are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.